Right, I just removed these screws, one from here and another here. Now I need to take it out, and I know it is. Just wiggle it a little. It comes. Yeah, you push it down. That's all you have to do. When you push it down, it will show you, it is out. All you need to do is just lift it a little, and that's what it will come out. And put it on the side for now. And the test is the test that we are going to do. You would need a multimeter, and also you need to make sure you get access to the plug, which is this white thingy. You need to disconnect. That's the one you need to disconnect. This is the wire which comes out of this compressor, which is here, this, right, which is what we are going to test, this compressor. So as long as I can get the pins out of this plug out, we should be good. Let me do that. All right, I just hook it out. It was tight at the top. Now I got a better access on it. I do feel to just press these clips, and it come out. It's hard to do it with one hand. Wait to finish it. Yeah, well, all you need to do is press this clip from the top, and it comes out. So this is the plug which is tied to the compressor, right? The test that we are going to do with the multimeter is this should not show us any ground power. What I will do is I'm going to one end of my multimeter will be tied to or hooked or attached to each pin, and then I'm going to check the reading with the ground to see if it is showing any reading. All right, here is my multimeter, and the test that we are going to do is in ohms. So from your multimeter, this is my digital multimeter. I feel the digital one works better than the, you can say, those analog ones. So I had that other one, but I couldn't really figure that out. This seems to be any digital one I think should work. So you can see this is set on ohms. So this is the ohm sign, and it will provide us the reading. Right now there is my both connectors are not, you can say, connected to anything, but when I connect with one of these pins, I'm going to connect, and then the other I'm going to connect with the ground. And you should see, I'll show you which ground I did actually. Just trying to see if it stays. Touch with one of the pins. So you can see it is showing some reading. I'll show you which pin I did. One of them is on the frame of this unit, and another is on this. So there are two pins, which is one is red and the one is red and another is black. So I tested one where you saw this is second pin. You are seeing it is showing some reading, which means there is some power, ground power happening. Now I'm going to test the third one as well. So it is showing power there too. So which confirms that it is the compressor is bad and it has some power. So I'm going to test once more, same kind of a test, but I have some pipe, other pipes which from the compressor. I don't see what reading are they showing, if there is any reading there too. 1 second. It is one hand holding this, and so it is showing reading on that one too. Let me try each of the pins. compressor is bad. Yes. Now I will show you what I did actually, and how I was kind of testing, let's see. Alrighty, so this is the pin, right? What I was doing is connecting, my red. Actually, it doesn't matter red or black, you could do that. So I connected this with one of the pins, and then my other one, the black one, I was touching the frame of this, right? Which is what we did the first one, right? Second time I did the same thing, on each of these pins, right? I was touching each of these pins. Then I was from the ground for ground test. First time I checked with the frame, it was showing the reading. Second time I checked with this pipe, which is on the compressor itself, but on both the sides, if the compressor is good and not bad, your digital meter should just show the zero reading, like it is right now. But when we tested, it is showing that there is a power, which confirms that this unit, which is only 2 years old, just keep that in mind, what the quality of these units are, which will give you an idea whether you should go and buy it or not. So it's 2-year-old, 24,000 BTU, and the compressor is bad. All right, so I am in the process or planning now to replace this compressor. I'll show you the steps how I'm going to do that in my next video.